right bottom corner orange stripe box. The corner kits in this video are used in addition to the standard flashing kits. We strongly recommend that you watch this video in conjunction with our installation film for a 3x2 rectangular array. To fix this flashing, we're going to use the kit of parts from the orange stripe box. Tip: use a wallpaper scraper to remove any debris in the gasket and glass cleaner to help lubricate the insertion of flashing.
The corner section should be fixed in place before the sill flashing. Push this into the flashing gasket across the join between the two left-hand panels. Make sure it's fully inserted before carefully sliding it upwards until the top face of the corner section meets the bottom of the panel above it. You'll find that lubrication is essential for this step. Now fit the sill flashing. Continue to fix the gutter flashing between the upper panels in the normal way.
The kit contains a left top and a centre top flashing to complete the array. The top flashing you need to use depends on whether the panel above and to the left of the corner is the end of a row or has panels on both sides. Select the top flashing that suits the array and set aside the other. We hope you found this video useful. Please see our other videos for other layouts, including our other corner kits. More information, including PDF installation manuals, can be found on our website.